JF Pickleball Paddle Factory is committed to delivering excellence in every paddle we produce. Leveraging advanced manufacturing technology, rigorous quality control, and a skilled R&D team, we offer customized OEM and ODM solutions to meet diverse customer needs. Our paddles adhere to international USAPA standards, ensuring top-notch performance and durability for competitive play. We are proud to serve as a trusted manufacturing partner for several well-known global brands, while also developing our own high-end JOYCSPS line to push the boundaries of innovation in pickleball equipment. With readily available stock and efficient bulk ordering, JF Pickleball Paddle Factory empowers retailers and brands to thrive in the growing pickleball market. We pride ourselves on being a strategic partner, helping brands expand their reach and achieve success in the global pickleball industry. If you're ready to elevate your brand in the growing pickleball market, we welcome you to reach out. Our team is here to discuss your unique requirements, offer tailored solutions, and provide all the support you need from initial concept to final delivery. Contact us today to explore how we can help make your products stand out in the competitive pickleball arena.